Hey guys, John here from San Diego Miramar College, the Advanced Transportation Department. For about 5 years, I'm the instructional lab technician here. Today's video segment is going to be on how to clean and seal a battery. When cleaning and sealing a battery, there are many different kinds of compounds you can use. You can actually even use Coca-Cola to neutralize the acid if you want to go on a cheap budget. We use the CRC battery cleaner spray, and we also use the CRC battery terminal protector. This has an agent in it that changes colors, so when it detects the sulfuric acid on top of your battery surface. For this procedure, you're going to need a traditional battery terminal cleaning brush. This is for post. This is for your leads here. We're also going to need a 10mm wrench because this is a Honda. We use metric. Before you begin, it is advised to wear gloves and safety glasses. Warning, hydrogen can be released from the sulfuric acid solution and catch fire. Please keep an open flame and sparks away from the battery. Work in a well-ventilated area. Once again, wear safety glasses. If you touch a battery, do not touch your face or eyes. You may not notice the battery acid on your hands. We begin by removing the positive battery terminal. It can be indicated by either being red or we'll have the plus sign on top. So disconnect the positive battery terminal. Try not to ground your wrench off to anything on the car. That could create a spark. Then proceed to remove the negative battery terminal. First, we're going to use the battery terminal cleaner. Just go ahead and spray it on the top of each terminal. Let that sit for a couple seconds and do its work. It's going to foam and kind of break down the sulfuric acid. It is a neutralizing agent. You can take a clean rag and you can wipe it off. You can also rinse it off with some water in a spray bottle. After you've cleaned off the terminals, you can use the brush. You'll clean the terminal posts with the bottom end. You just insert it and twist a couple times. You'll notice that the brush here has some wire. We also clean the inside of the battery terminal connectors. If it is really dirty, you can use the battery terminal cleaner. We're going to clean the negative battery terminal. Next, go ahead and reinstall the battery hold down post. We want to start with the positive terminal or the red terminal first, indicated with the plus sign. Make sure you push down firmly. We do positive then negative because we do not want to create a spark. And with working with this sulfuric acid, the byproduct is hydrogen gas, which is explosive or is flammable. Tighten down the terminals. They don't have to be too tight, just snug enough where they don't turn or move. After you have these placed on, you're going to go ahead and use the battery terminal protector. Just shake and spray on. It is a red color, and it's going to seep into all those little crevices and prevent the acid buildup. All right, after your procedure, you may remove your gloves. I generally do it in this fashion. Take your pointer finger and your thumb and pinch and pull up. Afterwards, you can use your expended glove to remove the opposite one and curl into a ball. This concludes our video. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to check out our social medias. Until next time.